Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix favorite sounds not showing problem on TikTok. So guys, if you are trying to use favorite sounds on your TikTok account but you are unable to see or find your favorite sounds on TikTok and your favorite sounds are not showing up, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device and then you have to tap on general and then you have to scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and now scroll it below and tap on TikTok and offload your TikTok app for one time, and after this go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your app store and then you have to wait here for some seconds and now tap on search button and search here for TikTok. And now you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app in your device, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So I'll do this, and after this open your TikTok and then tap on your profile and then you have to simply favorite any sounds from here. So I select any video and then go to the sound, and now you have to simply tap on add to favorites from here. So I simply tap on add to favorites. You have to simply add a favorite sound, and after this go back and now go to your favorite sounds, tap on sounds, and here you will see all your favorite sounds in the list. So guys, here you can see this, the favorite sounds are now showing up on my TikTok account. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue and you can also use favorite sounds on TikTok easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.